Prerna, and she says she read somewhere that debt funds are a better alternative to fixed deposits. So she wants to know, aren't debt funds risky? Which out of the two, debt funds and fixed deposits, should be preferred?
Yes, debt funds are relatively risky as compared to fixed deposits because they can go up and down in value. They don't give you they don't promise you a return, unlike like a fixed deposit.
Mm-hmm.
When you make a deposit, you are told that okay, this is a 1 year term, you'll get this much, and depending on the bank, you are unlikely to be unsure of that. But there are advantages of investing in a debt fund, which is when you invest in a debt fund, the tax treatment is different. Most of the time, the return from debt funds could be a little higher than the deposit. And if you hold your debt fund for 3 years and more, the tax could be far, it could be far more efficient, simply because it will be treated as a capital gains. And the capital gains tax on that fixed income investment, your ability to convert an interest income into a capital gain gets you a huge advantage, because in a deposit, even if you're not deriving the interest, you are liable to pay taxes on your interest income every year. You are not supposed to pay taxes till you realize the investment, till you realize any part of the gain. After realizing the gain, if it is 3 years and more, it will be considered long-term capital gains. So that's quite advantageous. Plus, you have risk of varying kind depending on the kind of fund that you choose. If you choose an overnight fund or a liquid fund or an ultra short-term bond fund, I don't think they are very risky. In fact, overnight fund, I would say that they are not. They are safer than bank deposit, simply because they are investing in banks, and they are investing in banks of many banks. So there are banks which can fail, but overnight fund, it's unlikely that those banks will fail at the same time. So overnight funds could be safer than deposit. Sometimes I think my understanding is that liquid funds, given the design now, they are reasonably safe. And beyond that, there are funds which are risky. Income funds could be risky. Sometimes the gilt funds could be risky. Gilt funds invest only in government securities, but if interest rate goes up, they will actually take a big hit in terms of value. So depends. 2-3 kind of funds, debt funds, they are relatively safe, and you can well consider that. But other funds, if you are investing just by looking at the past performance and getting attracted to them, keep away from that. Debt funds can be risky. We have recently witnessed a decline in value of many of the debt funds. So you're right, they are risky, and if you do it without just looking at the return, it could be even more risky.